Hello guys and welcome back to another episode. In today's video we're going to be unboxing two different products. We have the Airdopes Joy and we have the Waves Stride Voice, and we're going to be unboxing both of these with boxes today. And this is my first time that I've ever done an unboxing video, so if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe guys. Let's get right into the video. So we have two products here. We're going to first review the Airdopes Joy. So let's get our knife here. Let's unbox this bad boy up. So but where is the opening? There we go. We have a small opening here. Just unbox that real quick. Oh my god, this is more difficult than I anticipated today. There we go. And we have one more here. Nothing's wrong, or is it just me? I guess I'm just stupid to know how to cut in this box. So, there you go. Me opening this. There you go. So we have, as you can see guys, there's a box here. As you can see, there's like this box here. So let's open this up. Box here, let's keep that there, and voila, I think these are the earbuds. Let's keep that there. Accessories, and this manual. Oh wait, one more thing, get some stickers. Okay, nice. These are the few things that you get in the box. This is like a bunch of stickers. You can see you have this off the map one right here guys. You have something of like a dinosaur, I think you guys can see over there, and can you do anything one, I think you guys can see probably. And I think one more of this boat person, as you can see this man, the boat head. So hope you guys can see that. And what else you get in this box is this manual or this warranty card and this manual. Oh, this is it's a long manual, eh? It's a long manual right here. Okay, and accessories, we keep the warranty card here, and accessories along with the product itself. So we'll keep the product there. Open the accessories box first to see what we come with here in this product. So we get, okay, nothing in this box as you guys can see, but we do get this, so that's nice. Pretty good, I think. Let's just wrap this open guys. So this is like the wire for charging and stuff, and this is the actual product. Wait, ASMR. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that ASMR, but anyways, this looks clean. I don't know, this is matte finish. This looks clean. You can see the one there. This looks, whoa, this actually looks nice in person. Let's open it. Wow, can you guys see that? Can you guys see that over here? Like, can you guys see that? Just open that up and you guys can see this. Keep in front of my face for you guys. Whoo, this looks nice. Let's put it to the side right now. So open it up. First impressions, strong case, and this looks nice. I think you guys can see that properly. These look good. They actually look pretty good. Let me just wear these. They fit. Ooh, the fit is a little slippery, I think. And the fit is, am I wearing this properly, or no, I'm wearing it properly. Ooh, the fit is a little slippery guys. I don't know if you guys will feel it, but the fit is a little slippery, but okay, not bad I guess. I will be using these. Actually, they look nice, they feel nice. The box feels the quality. So again, it's a pretty good product. So you can keep those back in the box, close them up. So this is the boat. It's one unboxing experience. Let's keep them all to the side. Let's move on to our next product. The next product we have, guys, is this Wave Stride Form Voice. Sorry. So this is basically like a smartwatch, and we are going to be unboxing that here today too. So let's get right in. So as you can see, ASMR. You can see the instruction manuals here. Here, guys. Just read it if you guys want. Anyways, so let's get right in. Let's start off with the scissors. Sorry, knife. Why is tape so difficult, guys, to just remove? There you go. Or am I just doing it wrong? I don't know. Let's remove it, guys. It's already torn for some reason in the back here. I think something with the shipment or something, I don't know. So here we have it. Oh, straight out the box we have our watch here. Straight out the box too. The watch is sitting in plain sight, as you can see. So we can unbox it. Ooh, okay, you get the instruction manual here first. Very long instruction manual. Then we get same type of stickers. Wait, actually these are different. They're torn up. No, they're like separate. I'll show you guys the other stickers that we had. Yeah, you guys can see. Look at these stickers. These are like one big thread. These are like removed. Like these are like different. Like, as you can see, and here these are all like the same, right? So again, that's one difference, I guess. Keep those here. Then you have more of this. I'm not gonna show the stickers. Oh, there you go. We have one of the arms. So we have two of. Okay, what is this? This is. Go ahead. This is a warranty. So we'll keep the warranty aside. We have another bunch of manuals, as you can see here. Bunch of them. And then I don't even know if that's manual or something, but yeah, we have one more of this. We have two. Okay, let's keep the paper this side this time. So as you can see, guys, we have two of these threads, two of the bands, and we have the watch itself, guys. Oh, the watch is pretty good. No, keep in one piece. That's a good thing. I think you guys can see it here. The watch came in good piece, right? As you can see, I think you guys can see better. The watch comes in good shape. You have these places for adding the band of the watch. As you can see, you have the charger place here. Oh, you have the charging place here. You have, I think, the heartbeat monitor or whatever. Keep this box towards the side. Now let's let's put these together. So we have this one. Let's put this one inside here, I think. Oh, this is gonna be difficult, eh? I think it's supposed to. Wait, no, it's supposed to put them. No, it's supposed to inside like this. Oh shit! I don't know how to put this in. I do not know how to put this in. Oh wait, is this the wrong side? I don't know. I feel like it's the wrong side. No. I think this is the right side. This is the. Oh yeah. Supposed to. Oh, I think I know what it's supposed to do. This is in and out. This in. Okay. And so you can see something over here. Like you pulled on it. Oh, there you go. Oh no, so close. There you go. First thing, the strap is done. There you go. You can see that here too. In one side. No, I think I'll show you guys too. So here you go. I think you can see that. All you need to do is pull that. Yeah, I'm sorry, not from off. Wait. It's supposed to do something like this. And there you go. Slide it in. 2 seconds. It should be back to normal. I think. Oh yeah, I think it's done. Yeah, I think it's done. Yeah. It's done. So this is the watch itself, guys. As you can see, guys, this is the watch itself. Pretty cool looking watch, actually. Not even gonna lie right now. This is not that bad of a watch. Let me just wear this right now. Wear this right now, guys. At the end of the day, it's not that bad of a watch, right? Okay. Anyways, I think I worn it, guys. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. Put that in here, put that in there. Yep, anyways, I've worn it. Looks very cool, guys. As you can see, nice smartwatch, actually. Nice fit too. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you please like and subscribe, guys. If you have the watch here, right here, I haven't charged it or anything to show you guys how it looks. As you can see, I have both products right here, and this one right there, guys. You see? So here, both products. Oh yeah, talking about pricing, guys, this is the best part of this video. This comes at 5,000 rupees, which is around $62 in American money, because I'm in India right now. And this is approximately the same thing. This is 70. This is 5,600. I don't know. It's 5,600 rupees, which is around again $70. They're pretty cheap. It's pretty cheap, guys. When you think about it, this should not be this cheap. This smartwatch, especially along with this. This is pretty good too. It looks nice. It feels nice. Charging USB-C. This is. Oh, it's lighted up. What? Okay, I don't know why it's lighted up. Okay, I think it's saying to charge or something, because it's not charged yet. It's not. But as you can see, not working there. So again, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys for watching. If you did, please like and subscribe, guys. Again, say this. Oh no, it's gone. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.